What is up, you guys? Episode 22, part 3 of Shotgun Wrestling, the pay-per-view, first one. This is part 3. So in the first first part we had a tag team match of the team with Jack Swagger and Ryback versus Brandon and mystery opponent. The mystery opponent was Ryback. Brandon originally wanted, not Ryback, Kevin Nash. Brandon originally wanted to go by himself in a handicap match, but SGW management said that's not safe because we can't have any superstars hurt. Even though he wanted to, even though Brandon wanted to go by himself, he still made a phone call to a friend. That friend was Kevin Nash, his mentor. The only problem was Brandon had lost because, one, he did not tag in Kevin Nash. It's like he had something to prove. With this loss, we were wondering what the state of Brandon was going to be. We finally got that interview after the match of Big Show and Chris Jericho, which I will explain to you guys later. Well, in a second. Well, Brandon said with this loss, it only gives him the right to redeem himself. How is he going to redeem himself? He's going to do what the match that he qualified for, that he did that Ryback and Jack Swagger qualified for. He's going to work his way to the Tri-State Championship. He says he's going to try his best to be either A, Ron Killings, or B, Ron Killings, or A, Fandango, whoever the champion will be after Heat. Because he wants a match at Taboo Tuesday. And then we have this match coming up right now. But to the Big Show and Chris Jericho match. Chris Jericho had claimed that the reason why he wasn't in the Elimination Chamber #1 contender match for the World Championship is because of Big Show. He claims to have been unconscious during the match due to an attack from either Sheamus or Randy Orton. When Randy Orton no, not Randy Orton. He says it was from Dean Ambrose. Dean Ambrose, who simply did not touch him in the match. He said he made him unconscious when he attacked him outside the ring, letting Tyson Kidd lose when the Big Show could have moved his fat butt, who was on the apron, who did not help stop, as Chris Jericho says, and sees in his eyes, when he was mostly unconscious for the whole match, as he exclaims. Then he said that he could beat the Big Show anytime, anywhere. He challenged the Big Show to a Falls Count Anywhere match, but then he said, you know what, I don't want to do that, because I'll end up being the last man standing. Turn it into a last man standing match. He's like, I don't want to be the last man standing, because that just shows how weak you are. I want to show you how extreme I can get. So he threatened Big Show into saying that I can get extreme. You might be a former ECW champion or hardcore champion, but I'm the best in the world at what I do, and I can be the best in the world at hardcore. And then Big Show only had to say this: if Chris Jericho wants to make up lies and say that it's all my fault, then I will do what I do best and knock the living crap out of your mouth. So he went against Chris Jericho. He started the match off fine. Chris Jericho gained a little bit of redemption, but then Big Show ended off hitting him twice with 2 good knockout jabs when he was down on the ground, hitting him with a leg drop onto the throat, stopping Jericho and winning. And we got an interview with him, and he said this: the only thing I can do right now to show that I'm dominant is to have a match every week so I can go against the champion. So he could, he wants to show that he's world champion material. He wants to face Daniel Bryan at Taboo Tuesday. So what has happened is SGW manager says, we will put you in a match every week to determine if you really deserve to go against Daniel Bryan. And then we will put Daniel Bryan or Sheamus. It just depends on who wins in the match as well. So we know that you guys are ready, so we don't overwork you guys. So yeah. And if you guys are trying to figure out where Daniel Bryan and Fandango been, where the champions been, they actually been working for their match. So yeah. So here comes to this match of the female championship. It's just a triple threat match. And yeah. These 2 divas, Summer Rae and Tamina, were not in the match due to the qualification, so they got their shot now. I will put a time description because I know I talked a lot in this one. So I'm gonna put a time description in the comment section so you guys know where to skip to get to the wrestling.
Tonight. Yeah, it does. There's nothing wrong with that, though. If you're going to be successful in the WWE, you've got to have a little attitude. This is the title shot our challenger was waiting for. You can tell by that walk, the challenger is ready. And there it is, the triple threat ladder match is underway. Oh, look at that move, oh, wait, nice reverse. Oh, man, a huge jaw-jacking drop kick. Avoids the impact there. There's all kinds of things underneath that ring. Steel chairs, tables, ladders. Be careful, Cole. Oh, and did you hear the impact? And she drops like a sack of potatoes. She appears to be extra slow regaining. Oh, man! Did you hear that? Italia's taking complete and total control of this match. Oh no, Sarai with the opening. Oh, look at that move, Cole. The quick reversal there by Summer Rae. Wow, Cole, did you see that? That laid him out cold. Face first, that's just nasty. Oh! What a decapitating lariat. Tamia going for it. And it's Natalya with the man, another kick. And here's Summer Rae. We're in the midst of a WWE no disqualification match, and things are about to get extreme. Shot. Remember, this is no disqualifications. That weapon is about as legal as a headlock. Watch out here. Oh my gosh, who came down on that ladder? A sharp kick. Oh no, watch out. Reversal. Now climbing one rung of the ladder at a time. If you're the one that grabbed the title, you get to wear it home tonight. Is this... Oh my God. Summer Rae going for it. Oh, out of nowhere. She's having a real hard time getting back to her feet. Oh, look at that move, Cole. Good God. Is he pressing a secret button to move that fast? I mean, those kicks won't give you The intensity. Yeah, what a move. Heading back to the top. Look out. Wow, what a move from Summer Rae. That's how you sweep an opponent under the carpet. Natalia getting it done. Oh, that was a match for the record books. The WWE Universe will be buzzing about this one for a while. What a tribute to the athletes of the WWE. Having superstars of this caliber put on a performance like they did in this ladder match.
Alright, congratulations to Natalia for retaining her title. What will the soon-to-be odds of who will she face at the next matchup, Heat? So yeah, thank you guys for watching this part. This was the third part of episode 22 of the Cyber Sunday Wrestling thing. This will have its own playlist as well, so check that out. Get ready for the next couple matches, 3 Stages of Hell. We might just have 2. It just depends on who wins the match and who doesn't. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I am OW Gamer, the host of SGW, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.